everyone. So in today's video I would like to show you all how to prepare easy, quick, fast, authentic party style onubu soup, which is also known as aka bitter leaf. Okay, let's just get right into this video. So I love to pre-cook my bitter leaf. This helps to reduce or remove any bitter taste. Okay, so in a pot I transferred cow tripe. All right, so I also go ahead and add cow beef. Okay, yes guys, I love to cook my proteins with pressure pots. This helps to hasten the cooking process, okay, so that I don't spend so much time in the kitchen. So I went ahead and added the stock fish head. These are stock fish head. I also added the stock fish fillets. Okay guys, so because I needed some more water, I'll be adding in my beef stock. Okay, so I gave this a quick stir, cover, and just bring this to a boil. Okay, so this has been boiling so nicely. All right, so I'll go ahead and add in my palm kernel. These are palm kernel concentrate. Okay, this is totally optional, but I love the flavor and the taste it gives to my bitter leaf soup. Okay, so I also added in the chopped habanero peppers. Okay, just add to taste. I also added my grounded crayfish. So I'll be introducing the secret ingredient, which is known as ogiri igbo, aka fermented melon. Guys, you can never achieve that authentic party style bitter leaf soup without ogiri. Okay, so this is highly compulsory. Okay? So for more color, I'll go ahead and add some palm oil. Okay, stir this to combine. I'll cover this and allow to cook for 10 minutes. So this has been cooking so nicely for 10 minutes now. Okay, so I'll go ahead and give this a quick stir. And then I'll be adding my deboned and washed mangala fish. Okay, so I will season with some seasoning cubes. These are actually beef seasoning. Okay, then I also added some salt for taste. So because bitter leaf is a dry and hard vegetable, okay, so I love to add my bitter leaf this time so that it can soak up all the yummy goodness in the pot. Okay, so I went ahead and added my bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stir this very well, cover, and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes guys, I also gave it a stir. Okay, so it's time to introduce my last ingredient, which is cocoyam, pounded cocoyam. Okay, so I went ahead and added my cocoyam. I love to add my cocoyam in big chunks. Okay, so this helps it to dissolve gradually. Okay, I don't really like my cocoyam to dissolve really fast. Okay, so I want it to take its time and dissolve nicely. Okay, in case if you are new, my name is Uju and you are highly welcome to Ujulinnspace. Click on the subscribe button to join this family, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching as always. Okay, so I went ahead and stirred this to combine. So I'm going to allow this to cook for, let's say, 10 minutes. Okay, so guys, this has actually been cooking for 10 minutes now. You can see the soup looks so yummy already. Okay, but the cocoyam, although you can also choose to dissolve the cocoyam by yourself, so I get this whichever way it is, and I'll allow it to cook for like, so I'll just give this a quick stir and allow it to cook for more 5 minutes. If at this point you've not given me a thumbs up, what is wrong? Please consider smashing that thumbs up button. Okay, and also I would like to know in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this yummylicious authentic party style confirmed bitter leaf soup. Okay, thank you so much once again. If you've watched up until now, do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a video. So tell me in the comment section, what will you be enjoying this soup with? Okay, thank you so much once more. Bye guys.